Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet mint sweater designs model knitted with wool. Let's start the video. A crochet sweater for men is a handmade garment crafted using crochet techniques, typically with yarn and a crochet hook. Unlike knitting, which uses two needles, crochet involves looping yarn with a single hook to create various patterns and textures. Key features: designs can range from simple and understated to intricate patterns. Common styles include crew neck, V-neck, cardigans, and turtlenecks. Yarn types made from different materials like wool, cotton, acrylic, or blends, depending on the desired warmth and texture. Fit can be tailored for a snug fit to made more relaxed for casual wear. Patterns: openwork crochet patterns for breathability or denser stitches for warmth and texture. Colors available in solid colors, stripes, or multicolored designs for a personalized look. Crochet sweaters for men are growing in popularity due to their handcrafted appeal and versatility in layering. They can be paired with jeans, chinos, or even dress pants for a casual or semi-formal look. Here are some tips for creating or styling crochet sweaters for men. First, choosing the right yarn material. Use breathable cotton for lighter spring or summer sweaters or wool for warmth in winter. Durability. Opt for high quality yarns to ensure the sweater holds its shape over time. Softness ensures the yarn feels comfortable on the skin to avoid a thickness. Select the right fit. Measure carefully. Take measurements for chest, shoulders, arm length, or torso to achieve a custom fit. Easy. Add 2 or 3 inches for easy for a relaxed, comfortable fit. Use simple patterns first. Beginner-friendly stitches. Start with basic stitches like single crochet or double crochet before attempting more complex designs. Pattern resources. Look for patterns specifically designed for men to get the right proportions and style. Pay attention to necklines. Crew necks, a versatile option that suits most men. V-neck, great for layering over collared shirts. Turtleneck, ideal for colder weather and a classic sophisticated look. Experiment with colors. Stick to neutral shades like gray, navy, or beige for versatility, or earthy tones for a rustic, masculine vibe. Add stripes or subtle color blocking for a modern touch. Finishing touches. Blocking. Properly block the finished sweater to help even out stitches and shape the garment. Stitch-edged, reinforced cuffs, neckline, and hem to prevent stressing over time. Layering ideas, casual look, pair with jeans and sneakers for a relaxed outfit. Smart casual or offer a button-down shirt with chinos or trousers for a polished look. Maintenance. Hand wash or use a gentle machine cycle to maintain the sweater's shape and texture. Leave flat to dry to avoid stressing. Here are some additional tips for creating or styling men's crochet sweaters to enhance the process and overall look. Custom stitch patterns. Textured stitches. Use stitches like oval stitch or basket weave to add depth and spline texture. Shaping. Add chipped edge on cuffs, hem, and neckline to give the sweater a professional finished look and better stress. Choosing sleeve styles. Raglan sleeves offer a comfortable fit and sporty style. Satin sleeves, more tailored and formal, perfect for a sleek, structured look. Drop shoulders, ideal for oversized or casual fits. Seamless construction. In the round, consider crocheting in the round or illuminate side seams for a cleaner, more polished appearance. Turn as you go, helps avoid bulky seams and creates a smoother silhouette. Adding details. Pockets. Add small pockets for functionality and visual interest. Zippers or buttons. Incorporate closures for cardigans or pullovers for a modern layered style. Elbow patches. Crochet or sew on constructing elbow patches for a classic or rustic look. Stress control. Test swatches. Make a gauze swatch to ensure the yarn does not stay too much during iron or washing. Elastic thread. Consider weaving an elastic thread along cuff or neckline to help maintain shape over time. Color blocking and stripes. Experiment with horizontal or vertical stripes for a bolder look. Color blocking in earthy tones or monochromatic shades can add a modern flair without being overwhelming. Mind the season, spring or summer, use lighter yarns and looser pieces for breathability. Fall and winter, opt for heavier yarns and denser stitches to provide warmth. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!